Aloha, welcome to AW Fraser. My name is Jody Tuckwell and I'm going to be your host today, going through and doing a shop tour. Let's go. We have probably one of the largest CNC machine shops in all of New Zealand. Currently we have 37 machines in-house and we're going to increase that stock even more this year. So first up I'm going to show you our Okuma LT300-M. It's a twin spindle, twin turret, M-function machine with overhead gantry loader. Now what that enables us to do is run an almost seamless production line with very limited operator interaction. It's a high productivity machine and we only invest in the best, and these guys make some of the best machines in the world. So we've got 3 LT machines. Machine number 1, machine number 2, and machine number 3. Booyah! One of our latest machines is an LX2500, also with a gantry load. So we've got M-function capabilities on this machine with a BMT. It does 10,000 RPM, which is essentially like having a vertical machine center, but in a horizontal form in your lathe. Twin spindle means we can have transfers. Overhead gantry loader and unloader means that raw stock in, finished product out, done. So these are some of our Okuma, our older Okuma, the lean green machines. LU15-M still going strong. This one here's got an UR robot on. It's could be better, but I actually want to introduce you to Darren Mitchell, one of our CNC specialists, and he's currently setting up the NLX2500, which is one of the first D&G Moris that we bought here.
Set all the cap-toe tooling in the machine and preset all the offsets for the machine. Just makes it really easy for the guys to set up, so they don't have to set all their offsets. They basically just put the tools where they're supposed to go on the turret, call the program up, close the door, block it through, and pretty much away we go. The machine's been really accurate. They work really well, consistently 24 hours without too many problems.
Okay, this is our baller department. This is high-end technology. This is the best of the best, the jewel in the crown of AW Fraser. I just want to show you this. This is amazeballs. So at the forefront of technology is our NTX 3000. It's a multitasking machine. You guys are really lucky because it's this week that we're installing our new automation cells. So we've got a FANUC R2000 IC robot going in. We've coupled that into the production process. It's got 114 tools on the ATC, 12,000 RPM spindle. It is the best. LU400-M, sweet ass. American LU35. Doosan D&M 6700. Yeah. Let me introduce you to one of the big boys of AW Fraser. This is the Okuma LU45-M, and it is a beast. It can turn 630 millimeters in diameter. We can turn up to 2 meters between centers. It has got an M-function top turret. We're not messing around when we turn in with this beast. It is a productivity monster. This is the Okuma MB4000, 6-pull pallet changer, horizontal machining center. It is the weapon of choice. These are our Swiss style machines. I've got a Gildemeister, Linear Sprint, Polygym, and a Ray Fang. And that's for all of our bar stock machining that's less than 42 millimeters. We're currently in Chad's area, and because I'm pretty special, I get to put my stuff everywhere. So here we've got another 4 Okumas, and the reason why they're here is because we're building another 1,000 square meter factory out the back, and they're all going to migrate down there. Every machine shop around the world has a machine that gets abused. and this is it. So we bought this Puma 4100 for one specific job, and that is ripping the crap out of the ODs of spinners that come out of the foundry. So the way we've configured it, we've got a tube driver which is stuck on the spindle face, and then in the tailstock we just have a live center. Squish the part together. We bring the tool down, and then we basically rip the shit out of it. Obviously, quality is #1 priority in here. Well, apart from health and safety, obviously. But this is where the magic happens. Come on, have a look. These are our identical hexagon Explorers. They're a 10, 12, 8 configuration, and they're accurate to within 3 microns, which, to be fair, is pretty bloody good. Righto, it's beer o'clock. I've really enjoyed showing you around AW Fraser. Thank you so much for coming and spending some time with us. See you next time.